Apple Watch Series 4 was officially released on September 21st, 2018. Today, however, we have Apple Watch Series 7. So, do you really need to upgrade your old Apple Watch to the newest one? Let's find out. Hello everyone, welcome to my first video. Today I'm gonna talk about Apple Watch Series 4 and whether or not you should upgrade to Series 7 in 2021. So the Apple Watch Series 4 has a few main features such as calling, texting, and fitness app. Personally, I like the most fitness app because you can customize the way you want it to be. The fitness app resets every day with 3 rings: red for burned calories, green for the time you have been walking, and blue for each hour you stand up. I love having this on my home screen so that I know what I need to get up and walk more. I love working out with my Apple Watch. It always shows my heart rate, calories burned, and the time I've been working out. So you can always start it in the app and just let it be on your arm while you're walking out. Personally, I think it's one of the best features that Apple Series 4 has to offer. And now, let's see all the features that Series 7 has, but Series 4 doesn't. Series 7 has an oxygen app thanks to the SpO2 sensor added with Series 6. When it comes to the storage, Series 7 has 32 gigabytes of storage. Series 7 has a swipe keyboard, which now makes writing a lot easier. Of course, this update came with a big update that Apple made the screen bigger, so that's kind of the thing we all expected. It's gonna happen at some point. So yeah, now it's a lot easier to write because the keyboard is swipe keyboard. So if you consider going and changing to Series 7, that would be a good reason. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and let me know in the comments what you think. If you're gonna change from your Apple Watch that you have right now to the Series 7, and of course the most important thing, let me know what you think, what I should improve, what should I fix, change. It's my first time doing videos like this. I love tech and I hope I'll stick with you guys for a long time. Thank you so much for being with me today and have a good day.